Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, this is Shelby. Welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1970 Chevy Chevelle. If you have any questions, make sure to email us or call us at any time. Come on up and let's check this beauty out. As you look across the front, you'll notice that all of the grille is in excellent condition. You'll notice that the bumper has a brilliant finish and features the bumper guards. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that the body lines flow beautifully from the front to the rear. Come on up and let's check out this beautiful interior. You'll notice that it's done in black and features Corbu bucket seats that are done in leather and suede. The back seat has also been custom done in matching material. Looking at the dash, you'll see it has the Super Sport cluster with all of the new Dakota digital gauges. It also has a tilt wheel with a leather strapped steering wheel. The radio has been upgraded with a retro sound head unit along with the new speakers and the JBL amp. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the back. Out back, we can see that the rear bumper also has a brilliant finish and it's like new. The taillights are like new as well, and we can see that the trunk has an excellent fit. This Chevelle features a gorgeous Tuxedo Black Paint scheme that's accented by the white SS stripes. It also has a new vinyl top installed that looks amazing. The paint on the 70 has been meticulously buffed and polished to a mirror finish that lays beautifully on this flawless body. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can get a better appreciation for this beautiful Chevelle. The stance is set off by a custom set of Schott Wheels and redline tires that accent the bare four-wheel disc brakes perfectly. You'll also notice it has the working cowl induction hood. As you can see, everything has a stunning detail. Now that we've checked out the exterior, come on up and let's look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. The horsepower comes from the Pro-built LS3 engine that has the 863 LSA heads. It also has the fast LS-XR 102mm intake, and this LS is dressed up and pressed with custom valve covers and relocated coils. It also has a polished front runner along with an aluminum radiator and electric fans. Along with the bare four-wheel disc, it also comes with a power steering and vintage AC and heat. For exhaust, it has stainless headers with dual stainless pipes and mufflers. When we look under this Chevelle, you can see that they did an excellent job on the frame-off restoration. All of the floors and frame are rock solid and highly detailed. The LS3 runs through the Tremec 5-speed and 12-boot posi rear end. All of the suspensions have also been upgraded from Detroit Speed with tubular front control arms along with the coilovers and new sway bar. Out back, it has a 4-link setup with the new sway bar as well. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Chevelle with me. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us at any time. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.
Visit us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.